Hello, quick message from Midland Exteriors. Just like everyone else in our community, we've changed the way we do business during this time of health concerns. But we want you to know that all of us are thinking about you, our customers. Midland Exteriors has followed all guidelines about how to operate safely during this time. Thankfully, much of our work is done from the outside, and it is easy for us to maintain a safe social distance from each other while working on your home. If we have to enter your home for window installations, we will discuss with you a very comprehensive safety protocol, which includes working when you are in another room, using barriers, limiting our staff on site, protective equipment, and disinfecting surfaces after installation. We monitor our team closely for signs of illness and have told our team members never to worry about calling in sick if they do not feel well. For the safety of our team members, if you have anyone in your home or office who is not feeling well, please tell us and we will reschedule your appointment. Midland Exteriors can give you a very comprehensive consultation remotely. We can walk around the outside of your property with you on the phone while you are inside and communicate about your project. For our proposals, we can use FaceTime and other video tools that are so easy for our customers. We love face-to-face meetings, and if you want one, we can do so safely with proper use of social distancing. Please call us to set up a consultation now. We'd love to help you. We are extending our special deal on fiberglass windows to the end of May, so when you buy 5, you can get 1 free. Finally, we want to thank you for supporting our business all these years. As a local family business with local employees, we deeply appreciate your business, especially right now. All of us at Midland Exteriors wish you all the best. We're here for you when you need us.